እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው 11ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርት ዩኒት 1 ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ለዛሬ የምናየው ፓርት 5 ነው። ዩኒት 1 ባዮሎጂ ኤንድ ቴክኖሎጂ የሚለው ቶፒክ ላይ 80 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህ 80 ጥያቄዎች እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ የተዘጋጁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ቶፒኩን በቀላሉ አንደርስታንድ ለማድረግ ለፈተናም እንዲሁም በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ ለማገዝ ነው። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል እየሰራን እንገኛለን። አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ከሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ። ይህንን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 41 one major ethical issue related to biotechnology is A. The use of fertilizers in farming. B. The patenting of genetically modified organisms or GMOs. C. The classification of plants into different species. D. The study of cell structures. B. The patent of genetically modified organisms ማለት ነው። ይሄ አንዱ ኤቲካል ኢሹ ነው ከባዮቴክኖሎጂ ጋር የሚገናኝ ማለት ነው። so patenting GMOs raises ethical concerns about ownership of biological resources. ስለዚህ ባዮሎጂካል ሪሶርሱ ወይም ደግሞ ፓተንቱ የማን ነው የሚለው ያስነሳል ማለት ነው። ይሄ በጂኤምኦ ላይ የጂኤምኦን ፓተንት ለመውሰድ confusion ይፈጥራል ማለት ነው። 42 what is an example of a positive impact of microbial action on industry? A. The increase of disease outbreaks. B. The destruction of ecosystems through pollution. C. The extinction of plant species. D. The use of microbes to produce antibiotics and vaccines. D. The use of microbes to produce antibiotics and vaccines ማለት ነው። ይሄ ፖዚቲቭ ኢምፓክት ኦፍ ማይክሮቢያል ነው እንደ ኢንዱስትሪ ውስጥ ያለ አንዱ ኢምፓክት ማለት ነው። 43 what is the main disadvantage of using biochemical pesticides in agriculture? A. The increase crop production. B. They cause toxicity and hazards. C. They reduce the use of chemical fertilizers. D. They eliminate all pests without harming the environment. B. They cause toxicity and biohazards. So biochemical pesticides can accumulate in ecosystems, leading to toxic effects on non-target organisms and the environment. 44 how does deforestation impact the environment? A. It increases carbon dioxide absorption. B. It reduces soil erosion. C. It disrupts ecosystems and leads to biodiversity loss. D. It improves water retention in soil. C. It disrupts ecosystems and leads to biodiversity loss ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዲፎረስቴሽን አንዱ ኢምፓክት ባዮዳይቨርሲቲ ሉዝ ያደርጋል ነው። so deforestation removes natural habitats leading to species extinction and environmental degradation ያስከትላል። okay 45 which principle of ethical research ensures fewer animals are used in scientific studies? Reduction, refinement, replacement, regulation. A. Reduction. Okay, reduction principle minimizes the number of animals used by improving the experimental techniques and sharing data ማለት ነው። አንዱ የሪዳክሽን የሚባለው ሜተድ ምንድነው? አኒማል ላይ ሪሰርች ሲሰራ አንደኛ ኤክስፐሪመንት መጠቀም እና አኒማል ዳይሬክትሊ እንስሳትን ከመጠቀም ሪዲዩስ ማድረግ ነው። ሌላው ደግሞ ሌሎች እዛ አኒማል ላይ ጥናት ያደረጉ ሳይንቲፊክ ፔፐሮችን ሼር ማድረግ ማለት ነው። እንደ አዲስ እዛ እንስሳ ላይ ጥናት ከማድረግ ይልቅ የተጠኑትን ሼር ማድረግ ማለት ነው። 46 biotechnology is a technology that utilizes dash to develop different products. Biotech, biological systems, and be all. Biological systems, okay. So biotechnology is a branch of science that applies biological systems. Apply የሚያደርገው biological system ነው ማለት ነው። Living organisms or their derivatives to develop or modify products for specific uses. Specific use ለምን ሊሆን ይችላል? ለሜዲሲን፣ አግሪካልቸር or environmental management ማለት ነው። 47 the system of manufacturing biological elements is dash A synthetic biology, B plant biology, C environmental biology, D animal biology. A synthetic biology ነው። system of manufacturing biological elements synthetic biology ይባላል። ኦኬ so synthetic biology involves designing and constructing new biological parts, devices and systems or redesigning existing biological systems ያሉትንም redesign ማድረግ for the use of creating genetically engineered bacteria for industrial applications ማለት ነው። 48 the device used to collect geographical data or information is dash A CT scan የኛው CT scan ለማለት ነው። ኦኬ B GPS, C microscope, D X-ray. B GPS ነው። GPS to collect geographical data or information about plant or animal ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ to gather and analyze geographical data. It improves accurate location tracking, navigation or mapping services. 49 the sum of techniques, skills and processes used in the production or delivery of service is biology, biochemistry, technology, genetic engineering. C technology ነው። Technology refers to the application of scientific knowledge and engineering principles to develop tools, machines and systems that help in producing goods and delivering services. 50 the influence of biological and technological products against on society and nature are A benefits of biology and technology, B advantages of biology and technology, C development of biology and technology, D impacts of biology and technology. D impacts of biology and technology ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so biology and technological advancements can have both positive and negative effects on society and the environment, such as medical breakthrough and environmental pollutions. 51 an instrument used to measure human body temperature is microscope, thermometer, barometer, CT scan. This is thermometer. What is industrial waste? A influent, B house wastes, air pollution, vehicle wastes. A effluents የሚባሉት industrial wastes include effluents which are liquid wastes or pollutants discharged into water bodies from the factories and industrial plants ማለት ነው። ከኢንዱስትሪያል ፕላንትስ የሚለቀቁ ዌስት ናቸው እነዚህ effluents። 53 soil fertilizers can cause toxicity, biohazards and be all ነው። all means ያው A and B ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሁሉንም ቶክሲሲቲም ባዮሃዛርድም ያስከትላሉ ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ሶይል ፈርቲሊቲ ሶይል ፈርቲላይዘርስ የሚባሉት 54 ዲዛይኒንግ ቴክኖሎጂስ ፍሮም ዘ ኔቸር ኢዝ ትሩ ስኬቺንግ ኢሚቴሽን ድሮዊንግ ፎቶግራፊ ኢሚቴሽን ነው የሚባለው አይደል? ፍሮም ኔቸር ምን ማድረግ ነው? ቴክኖሎጂን ኢሚቴት ማድረግ ነው አይደለም እንለው ወይም ማስመሰል ማለት ነው። ፍሮም ኔቸር ለምሳሌ አውሮፕላን የአዋፋትን እንትን እንዲመስል ማድረግ ወይም አዋፍን ኢሚቴት ማድረግ ማለት ነው። 55 plants have centralized function systems, brain-led functional systems, decentralized function systems. All system units are not functioning. See, decentralized function systems, okay? Unlike animals, plants don't have a central nervous system. Their functions are spread throughout different parts, such as roots, stems, and leaves, making their system decentralized. ሲስተሙ ምንድነው? ዲሴንትራላይዝድ ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ እንደሌላው እንደ እንስሳ ወይም እንደ ሰው ሴንትራል ኔርቨስ ሲስተም የላቸውም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፋንክሽኑ ስፕሬድ የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? በተለያዩ ዲፍረንት ፓርትስ ኦፍ ዘ ፕላንት ነው እንዳልነው አሁን በሩት ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ስቴምስ ወይም ሊቭስ አካባቢ ሊሆን ይችላል ፋንክሽኑ ዲስትሪቢዩት የሆነው ማለት ነው። 56 which of the following is an example of biomimicry technology? A. CRISPR gene editing. B. Use of solar panels inspired by photosynthesis. MRI scanning. Polymerase chain reaction. B. Use of solar panels inspired by photosynthesis. No, photosynthesis from plants. Plants absorb sunlight and making food ነው አይደለ? ስለዚህ ይህንን በመጠቀም ምን መስራት ነው? ሶላር ፓኔል መስራት ወይም ደግሞ የሶላር ኤነርጂን ተጠቅሞ ለተለያየ ኤሌክትሪክ እንትን እንዲያመነጭ ማድረግ ሂደት ማለት ነው። 57 the study of how lotus leaves repel water has led to the development which technological product antibacterial wipes, non-stick pans, self-cleaning surface, water purification tablets. See, self-cleaning surfaces ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የሎተስ ኢፌክት ኦፍ ኢንስፓየር development of self-cleaning surfaces due to their superhydrobotic properties ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 58 which biological principle lead to advancements in aerodynamics and aircraft wing design? A. Human kinematics. B. Bird flight dynamics. C. Natural selection. D. Muscle contraction. B. በርድ ፍላይት ዳይናሚክስ አይደለ? ኤርክራፍት ዊንግ ዲዛይን የተደረገው ያው ከበርድ ፍላይት ነው፣ ከበርድ ፍላይት ኔቸር ማለት ነው። 59 the enzyme Taq polymerase critical for PRC was isolated from the bacterium in what environment? A. Deep ocean, trenches, human intestine, Arctic ice. D. Hot springs. D. Hot springs. Okay. A Taq polymerase was discovered in Thermes aquaticus. That means thermophilic bacterium found in hot spring. 60 which of the following technologies is essential for gene sequencing? Electron microscopy, spectrophotometry, CRISPR-Cas9, next generation sequencing. The next generation sequencing ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so next generation sequencing allows for rapid and accurate DNA ሲኩዌንሲንግ ማለት ነው። 61 which imaging technique is most suitable for studying 3D structure of cellular organisms? X-ray crystallography, scanning electron microscopy, light microscopy, spectrophotometry. B. Scanning electron microscopy. Okay. So the SEM የሚባለው ማለት ነው provides high resolution ወይም ደግሞ 3D image of cellular surfaces and organelles የሚያገለግለን መሳሪያ ነው የስካኒንግ ኤሌክትሮን ማይክሮስኮፕ ወይም ደግሞ SEM የሚባለው ማለት ነው። 62 bioinformatics uses which of the following technologies extensively? A. Cloud computing. B. X-ray diffraction. C. Mass spectrometry. D. Infrared spectroscopy. A. Cloud computing. Okay. So bioinformatics uses this technology ማለት ነው የክላውድ bioinformatics relies heavily on cloud computing for managing and analyzing large genomic data sets ምክንያቱም large data sets ስለሚፈልግ የኛው bioinformatics ማለት ነው ስቶር ለማድረግ አናላይዝ ለማድረግ አይደል ያለው ዳታዎችን ስለዚህ እነዚህን ዳታዎች ስቶር ለማድረግ እና ለነዚህ ለማድረግ የክላውድ ኮምፒውቲንግ ይጠቀማል። 63 the introduction of nitrogen fixing crops such as legumes has primarily impacted A. Atmospheric ozone levels. B. Soil fertility and agricultural sustainability. C. Carbon dioxide absorption. D. Pest population. B. Soil fertility and agricultural sustainability ማለት ነው። Okay. So nitrogen fixing plants enhance soil fertility by converting atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms. 64 how has biotechnology most significantly contributed to modern medicine? A. Discovery of fossil records. B. Development of life support machines. C. Production of insulin and vaccines. D. Increased use of antibiotics in agriculture. C. Production in insulin and vaccines. Okay. So genetic engineering in biotechnology has led to mass production of human insulin and vaccines. 65 which of the following is a positive ecological impact of biology? A. Habitat destruction of agriculture. B. Use of pesticides. C. Restoration of endangered species through breeding programs. D. Urban expansion. C. Restoration of endangered species through breeding programs. So conservation biology helps restore endangered species, which is positive ecological outcome. 66 which of the following is unintended consequence of technological agriculture? A. Improved crop yield. B. Soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. C. Efficient irrigation systems. D. Controlled pest management. B. Soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. Okay, ይሄ unintended consequence ነው። So intensive farming techniques can lead to soil degradation and biodiversity loss. 67. What is the major concern of CRISPR technology in humans? High costs, immune rejection. C. Ethical implication of germline editing. D. Short shelf life on editing DNA. C. Ethical implications of germline editing. Okay, so editing human germline DNA raises major ethical concerns due to heritage changes ማለት ነው። 68. The widespread use of antibiotics in livestock can lead to A. Enhanced animal growth. B. Decreased cost of production. C. Antibiotic resistance in human pathogens. D. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. C. Antibiotic resistance in human pathogens. Okay, so overuse of antibiotic in agriculture contributes to the rise of the antibiotic resistance bacteria. 69. Which principle is emphasized in ethical use of animals in biological research? A. Dominance over nature. B. The 3R: replacement, reduction, and refinement. C. Unlimited animal use for research. D. Genetic manipulation without consent. B. Okay, ይሄ ኢቲካል ዩዝ ኦፍ አኒማልስ ለባዮሎጂካል ሪሰርች እንስሳትን ስንጠቀም እነዚህን ፕሪንሲፕሎች መጠቀም ይኖርብናል። ሪፕሌስመንት፣ ሪዳክሽን፣ ሪፋይንመንት የሚባሉትን ወይም 3Rs የሚባሉትን መጠቀም ይኖርብናል ማለት ነው። 70. Why informed consent important in human biological research? A. It reduces experiment time. B. It fulfills insurance requirements. C. It ensures autonomy and voluntary participation. D. It avoids the need for peer review. C. It ensures autonomy and voluntary participation. So informed consent respects participants' rights and ensures ethical conduct. Okay. 71. Which of the following practice would be considered unethical in plant research? A. Genetic modification to increase resistance. B. Deforestation for research without conservation plans. C. Crossbreeding for drought tolerance. D. Tissue culture propagation. B. Deforestation for research without conservation plans ነው። ይህ አንዱ አንኤቲካል ነው። ፕላንቶችን ለሪሰርች ለምርምር ስንጠቀም እጽዋትን እነሱን የሚተካ ኮንዘርቭ ሳናረግ ቀጥታ ዲፎሬስቴሽን ማካሄድ ወይም ደንን መጨፍጨፍ ማለት ነው አንኤቲካል አክቲቪቲ ነው ማለት ነው። 72. Which statement best explains the relation between the biology and technology? A. Biology relies only on traditional methods. B. Technology limits biological discovery. C. Technological innovations enhance biological research and vice versa. D. They are independent disciplines with no overlap. C. Technological innovations enhance biological research and vice versa. Okay. 73. Gene editing in agriculture is controversial because A. It has no effect on yield. B. It eliminates natural genetic diversity. C. It may pose ecological and ethical risks. D. It increases water usage. C. It may pose ecological and ethical risks. Okay, so gene editing can have ecological consequences and ethical concerns regarding safety and equity. 74. Which application of synthetic biology can lead to environmental benefits? A. Production of plastic from petroleum. B. Engineered microbes to break down pollutants. C. Use of fossil fuels. D. Traditional breeding. B. Engineered microbes to break down pollutants. So ይህ application of synthetic biology የሚለው ማለት ነው for the environmental benefits. So engineered microbes can degrade environmental pollutants. ይህንን ካደረጉ ደግሞ ምንድነው benefited for the ecosystems. 75. Ethical concerns in cloning involves A. Increase in productivity. B. Cost effectiveness. C. Loss of genetic diversity and identity issues. D. Use of plant hormones. C. Loss of genetic diversity and identity issues. Okay, so cloning raises concerns about individuals and long-term species diversity. 76. Which of the following is not a benefit in integrating technology into biology? A. Real-time imaging of cells. B. Enhanced genetic manipulation. Rapid data analysis. Complete elimination of ethical concerns. D. Complete elimination of ethical concerns. This is not the benefit of integrating biology and technology. Okay, so technology cannot eliminate ethical concerns. In fact, it often raises new ones. Okay. 77. Which ethical principle is often violated in unauthorized clinical trials? A. Beneficence. B. Respect for autonomy. C. Justice. D. All of the above. D. All. Okay. 78. The CRISPR-Cas9 system was inspired by a natural process in plants' photosynthesis, animals' reproduction. C. Bacterial immune responses. D. Fungal decomposition. C. Bacterial immune response. Okay, CRISPR is based on natural defense mechanisms of bacterial against viruses ማለት ነው። bacterial against viruses ከሚለው ናቹራል ፕሮሰስ ኢንስፓየር የተደረገ ነው የክሪስፐር ኬዝ9 ሲስተም። 79. The primary function of bioinformatics in modern biology is A. Replace biology research. B. Sequence and analyze biological data. C. Synthesize organic molecules. D. Conduct field experiments. B. Sequence and analyze biological data. Okay, so bioinformatics handle large scale biological data, especially for the genomics and proteomics ማለት ነው። 80. Which of the following best reflects an ethical concern in synthetic biology? A. Rapid bacterial growth. B. Artificial synthesis of life. C. Use of microscopes. D. Crop rotation techniques. B. Artificial synthesis of life ማለት ነው። ይሄ ethical concern ነው አንዱ ማለት ነው። Okay, creating artificial organisms arises fundamental ethical questions about ላይፍ ኤንድ ኮንትሮል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሰው ሰራሽ ላይፍ ማለት ነው አይደል? አርቲፊሻል ማለት በላቦራቶሪ የሆነ አንዱን ከሆነ ጋር በማድረግ ወይም በሴል ወይም በቲሹ ካልቸር ሊሆን ይችላል ህይወት ያለው ነገርን መፍጠር ኤቲካል ኮንሰርን ያስከትላል ወይም ደግሞ አንኤቲካል ነው የሚል ይዘት ያለው ነው ማለት ነው። ወይም ኤቲካል ኩዌሽን ያስነሳል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ጥያቄዎቹ የፓርት 5 እና የዚህ ዩኒት የመጨረሻዎቹ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ሌሎች ዩኒቶችንም እና የትምህርት አይነቶችን እንቀጥላለን። ከ9 እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ቱቶሪያሎችን፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን እና ጥያቄዎችን በማዘጋጀት ለእናንተ በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንድትዘጋጁ ለማገዝ እየሰራ እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም የዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አጋዥ መጽሐፎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህ መጽሐፎች ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ከሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዙ መጽሐፎች ናቸው። እነዚህን መጽሐፎች በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።